Follow these steps to block NSFW on Reddit. Launch your preferred browser. You'll need to log into your Reddit account in the web version, as with an app, you won't find this option to disable NSFW content. Now in the search box, type in Reddit login and then search for it. Navigate to the website of Reddit. Provide your username and the password and log into your Reddit account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to this page. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right corner. Now head over to the option settings. Once you're over here, different sections will appear. Navigate to the section preferences. Now here you're gonna find this section of content. Under that, you'll find the option of show mature content. Disable for this option. And just with that, you have block NSFW content on Reddit. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.